Please. I hope everyone is on time. Array, close the door. It's all crowded. No space to them to stand. Corona time. Close. Enough. Let them sit. Yes. Go ahead. What is your first question today?
Mr. Swag, I know you're celebrating your win, but where is your team jersey?
Nice question. I have already ordered. It's on the way from Amsterdam. You know Amsterdam. If you go in map, if you search Amsterdam. It's from flight. So hopefully I will get this by within 2 days. I think so. Arey, yarani. No house, no rent, no pay, no work. Simply sitting. That's why no money to buy T-shirt. That is my answer. Peace. Karan Sharma. Love you, ma. You have given us wonderful ground. We won 4 matches and become number 1 in the points table. That is more important. Underline that word, number 1. So haters watching this video, na? You do watch this video, sit. Otherwise, go jump into the well. Genere, suicide, no problem. So then, come on, Mr. Nucky. Today you have full license, man. Eat whatever you want, but give whatever you want, but make sure that not more than 100 rupees and 100 ruba makeable. Don't tell them. Eat. Today it's a fun day for you, man. Eat everything you want, but don't put it in your pocket and go outside. No. Peace. Yes, Mr. Nucky, keep that plate side. Finished eating now. Keep that side and ask your question.
Yes, Mr. Swag, what do you think about CSK win?
What to tell, ma? I have to give credit to only Ravindra Jadeja. His parents know while he was like quack. At that time itself they know. But that's the reason they kept his name as Ravindra Jadeja. If you spell Win is there in his name itself. So obviously if he is there in our team, he will win everything and anything for us. If you don't understand, let me tell you in a simple way. Have you ever watched the old movie, Vijayakanth movie? Vijayakanth will do multi-role. Father, son, brother. Same like that, ma. Yesterday's match, if you watch, Ravindra Jadeja is performing, fielding is doing good, batting is doing good, doing run out also. Then what opponents will do? Nothing. Full credit to Ravindra Jadeja. Super Jaddu. I hope I answer your question, Mr. Nucky. Peace. Yes, Raina fan Maina, I know you are also celebrating along with all CSK fans. I know from your way you appear, yellow lipstick, yellow saree. You can do anything you want, ma. You can scold anyone, you can beat anyone, even you can kill those who trolled us when we losing the game. Okay, you can do whatever you want. Do you have any question, ma, today?
Mr. Swag, what do you want to tell about Sanjay Mandrekar and Gautam Gambhir?
Super question, Maina. I was expecting this from you. It's a good question and everyone are expecting this answer from me. I know. Wait. I will tell. First, see, Sanjay Mandrekar. தயவு செய்து போய் ஓரமா உட்கார். You don't have any rights to tell about CSK team and MS Dhoni. Because do you think it is normal team? It's CSK Thala Dhoni team, not Sanjay Manjum Masal Vada, Makku Masal Vada team. Okay? First understand that. Then Gambhir. So what I have to tell about you here, because I am giving you permission because of the reason you scored 97 on the World Cup final and we won the cup. That is the main, you are also one of the reason for that. That is the reason we are not saying anything. தயவு செய்து பொழைச்சுப்போ. இதுக்கு மேல we won't shut our mouth. Then if we open our mouth, everything will be like shown to everyone. So make yourself give respect, take respect. That is more important. I hope I answer your question. Peace. So basically, we CSK give happiness to our lovers and showing calmness to our haters. Because one day the haters will also become our lovers. So it will happen, and one day it will happen for sure. And CSK has to fly to Delhi, next flight to Delhi to see the sun, which is not visible. I mean to say Sunrisers Hyderabad, which is not visible in the points table. So we are going to meet them next. Even I have to catch them because they're gonna catch the flight. I have to catch them in order to take the selfie with Dhoni, Raina, and our match winner Jadeja in the airport. So that's it. Peace. I hope I answered everyone's question. Mr. Pattu from Pakathu Gate. You have any question? Ask.
That's right. What do you think about Harshal Patel last over?
Everyone is appreciating Akshar Patel last over except Bangalore fans because he is the pillar of our target, you know. So when you say in Tamil, if you say ஒன்பது கிரகணத்தில் இருக்கும் ஒருவன் அந்த ஒருவன் 6 அடிக்காமலும் 36 அடிக்கலாம் 5 6 அடிச்சும் 37 அடிக்கலாம். That is what Jadeja has proved. He hit only 5 sixes in that over. Because in spite of that also the score came 37 runs in that over. So nice credit to Harshal Patel, man. Nice bowling. You have helped Chennai Super Kings to reach a very good total. So kind of you. Keep repeating that over. Enjoyment. I appreciate you giving claps. All claps, claps, claps. All claps. Nice, man. Nice. Peace. So before I leave, I request, I know plenty CSK fans are eagerly waiting to scold Sanjay Manchrekar and Gautam Gambhir. So those who want to scold, please scold in the comment. We will discuss about this in the next video, which I am going to put for the CSK match. So be safe inside your house, and please, if you like this video, do like this video, share this video, and there will be let us subscribe. I think most of the people forget that. I will tell you once again, subscribe. So in English it will be there. No need to worry. If you click that, and next to that there will be a bell button. So press the bell button so that you can receive the notification whenever I put the video. It will be so entertaining and useful for you. Peace.